Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. So in today's video we're going to be focusing on our eyes today. So I have got something called hooded eyes. Now hooded eyes is when you have a bit of extra skin that comes over your eyelid and hides part of your eye, and it can make you look tired, it can make your eyes droopy. So I'm going to show you how having hooded eyes can affect how you apply your makeup. So I'm going to use the Earthy palette by Beauty Bay just so that you can really see the colours on my eyes. I'm putting a lot of colour on my eyeshadow brush. Well, I used to use quite a big brush and packed all that colour onto the eyelid, stretching out the hood so that I can see the eyelid, and then putting all of that colour over the eye, buffing it out as you can see. And then when I take my fingers away from stretching it out, you can't see any of that colour. The colour is all gone, it's all hidden by that hood. With the eyeliner, to create a winged effect, I would start by creating a very thick eyeliner close to the lash line, but in a thick line, and then I would pull up my outer corner of my eye to then draw on that winged eyeliner effect. But then when you let go of the eye, if you can see, that whole eyeliner droops down, so you're not creating that lift that you are wanting. And also what I used to do was put a big thick black eyeliner in my waterline as well. So you can see I didn't really know what I was doing when I was a lot younger. You can see it's closed that eye, my eye's looking tired, it's looking droopy, everything is just going down, and we want the eye to look lifted and create it looking young, but it's not. It's looking tired. So what we're going to do, we're going to wipe it away and we'll start again. Right, back to square one. So I'm just adding the eye primer onto my eyes to have a base for the shadow to go on. Now let's get going. So I'm going to use a smaller brush so you can see the difference between the two brushes. So this one has a smaller brush head so you can be more accurate with where you're putting the colour, and you want to be putting the colour above your crease, because if we're having a nice bright colour eyeshadow look, we want to be able to see that colour, don't we? So I'm going to dab the brush into, into the colour, and then we're just going to add it above the crease. So looking down at the mirror and going above. So as you can see, not only am I doing swiping motions, but I'm also doing gentle circular motions with my brush just to diffuse that colour and blend it out nicely all together. So now creating that winged effect, I'm going from the corner of my eye out to the lash to create that lifted look, and you can there see the colour on my eye. And now just going back in with the colour to add more definition, more colour, remembering that we can add more, we can't take away. I think I liked the like in the Beauty Bay palette there. So you can see there that almost V shape that I'm creating with the eyeshadow to create that lifted look. So when taking the eyeshadow onto the lower lash line, you don't want to go too far into the corner of your eye. So when you're looking forwards, go to where your eye meets and then sort of gradually bring it out to the outside of that eye, because you want to keep the inside, the inner corner of your eye nice and bright and light, so that it is creating that brightness in that eye. You don't want to create that dark effect, because that's when it starts to look tired. It's good to keep it nice and bright in that corner. So here I'm adding a transition shade to the top of the eye and to the lower lash line, just to create a nice blended, cohesive look to the eye. And now to create a bit more of a lighter inner corner, using some beautiful shimmer from the Beauty Bay palette, starting at the corner and just adding a nice bright shimmer to the inner corner of the eye and bringing it out onto that eyelid, adding a little bit above the crease as well, just so when you open your eye you can see that shimmer there as well, to create a nice sparkly look. So not only do we want our eyes to look lifted, but we also want our eyebrows to look lifted as well. So I am still learning how to do my eyebrows, and I've got some new products that I'm testing out with to try and improve it. But I start with the pencil and then go in with a nice gel to stick it in place. Now on to creating our winged eyeliner effect. So I don't start with a pencil, I start with a angled brush and using eyeshadow, so a darker brown eyeshadow, to put the winged eyeliner in place first, so making that shape of a winged eyeliner with the shadow, because then you can play around with it a bit more. You can take it away if it's in the wrong place, and you can start again. It's a lot easier to put it in the right place when you're using powder rather than going straight in with pencil or liquid eyeliner. So as you can see, I'm creating the shape, making sure I'm not stretching my eyelid out, using where my creases are and going over the top of the crease, the hood, sorry, to create that eyeliner. So when I open my eyes, the winged eyeliner is still there. It's not hidden by the hood. So you can see there that even with my eyes open, the wing is there, still in place. And then adding some pencil, going over that powder to create a bit more definition to that wing. And you can see the wing there. How's that looking? Just adding a little bit more brightness to the corner of the eye. And on to our last thing, our mascara. So I'm trying out the new No. 7 Pro Artist Tubing Mascara. Now I've never used tubing mascara before, so it was interesting to see what it was like and to see how it looked on my eyelashes, whether it sort of added more thickness, more curl. I really liked it actually. It was nice and thickening and sort of didn't clump at all on my lashes. So yes, really happy with the tubing mascara. So this eye is now complete. So now the tricky part is making the other eye look exactly the same. Let's go and do that now, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. So as you can see, the eyes are looking lifted. You can see the lovely green colour and the sparkly eyes from the Beauty Bay palette. So for all my hooded girlies out there, I hope you found this video helpful. For everyone else, I hope you enjoyed it as well. I really enjoyed doing this look. I'm loving the green colour that I've created. And yes, I'll see you for the next video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Comment what you would like me to see, what you would like me to do next. And I will see you for the next video. Bye!